over Jordan Roque, kick out Justin. Tirahan naman. Here comes now Bartolino. Accelerate. Yung play na yan. Matagal na makita. Pero shoot pa rin from CJ Del Pino and Justin Bautista. Ilang beses na yun?
MVP Justin Bautista. And first ball out of position. Made by the Lugao.
Bautista, super MVP, take down the right, no inside, yes! Nice move on Justin Bautista. Shot knocked down, driving down, far in the steal, late pass. Here comes Justin Bautista, it's a 2-on-1, fake, back to back, by the super MVP. For a runner, 6 point na agad para dito sa ating level up to ba? For the shot clock, that was a good blow, substitution. CJ Del Pino will back for Arvin Bautista.
Number 80, Bautista.
Bulada rep.
Under the minute to go in. Shot knocked down, Bautista. And Tabulos! Bumawi naman! Ang Pilipinas Super MVP! Balik sa base, ako naman! Pagpino naman! Back from the level up naman! Back 12, and now, left from the level up naman. Here comes the Pino, back to the Super MVP! Bumawi ang level up naman! Now the leading back at 9 points. Level up naman, MVP! Here comes the Pino! Bumawala! CJ Del Pino, kick out to the Super MVP! Game number 1, CJ Del Pino, 11 kalamangan. Kanina natapos tayo ng first half is 10 points, third quarter, nagdagdagan natin sa yung kanilang kalamangan. Now by number 12, nice catch. The Super MVP! What the acrobatic! 8 minutes for his final quarter. Justin Bautista, over by Gian Akira. Bomb fake G, Justin Bautista on the last week for it to find that open under. Sabi ka sa ilalim. Nakakuha sa court neto ni Justin Bautista, 7:45. 16 points from Justin Bautista, number 27 floater by Martin Chico. CJ Del Pino for the steal. 3-on-1 situation. Del Pino pass to Justin Bautista, the 3-man from the Pradera. Now on number 17, Del Pino, pass to John Santos. Del Pino to Mitch Tolabot. Pass to number 18, Palit na kung nakalasot. Number 9, now to CJ Del Pino. To Justin Bautista, 15-second shot clock. Justin, another half-time rule. For 30 minutes, there's a new challenge speed. 20 points for Justin Bautista. CJ Del Pino. Malaki na malakas, Messi, lumasa, eto na si Kulot! Super MVP! Level 6! Now more! Pamayo, William for 3, the Super MVP! Agad na ibababa, set up na naman, tiwala, pero sa katong tuwano ang pakalo. Pamayo, 4:39 game clock, 15 down on the shot clock, next to Lakon, pass to Justin Bautista. 3-point shot, the Super MVP. 69, kahit napapanood natin siya sa television. 15 seconds on the shot clock, Roque, kick out Justin. Tirahan naman. Here now by CJ Del Pino to Justin Bautista, good catching by Bautista, bang Santos drive, ball to Carroll, ball fake, it's a steal, here comes now by Del Pino, accelerate, yung play na yan, matagal na makita, pero shoot pa rin from CJ Del Pino and Justin Bautista, ilang beses na yun? Pagkamadali, Barbara guys, wala